Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Yes, I just want to test the page.
Yeah, you go to lectures, there is sheet, question sheet and solution sheet. Here in sharing, there is some problem, I think. I cannot, it is opening, it is not opened. Share the files, it is opening, it is not good. It has some problem, I think. I'm not able to share.
How can you write, sir? How can you solve the problems?
Yeah, that's what I am waiting for that. Share files is not good. So I will try share screen.
Tell Dr. Zeshan he is very well using computer.
No, that is not the problem. Can you see now the questions?
No, sir.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is first question. Sheet 1. Draw the time domain waveform for the following signals. X of t equals. You can have from lectures. You can see directly from lectures. So the first question is draw the time domain waveform for the following signal. X of t equals 10 cos 2 pi t. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have the solution here. Can you see the solution?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So sine signal starts from 0, whereas cos signal starts from maximum value, that is 10
From
in
90
the signal
degree.
it is given. Okay. And how to get the time? By using this formula 2 pi ft.
Doctor, how
Yes.
you represent 2 pi?
Omega equals 2 pi f.
Yes, but how you represent on the page, on the graph?
Graph. Here 2 pi t is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. This one is a little bit. We have. There is here it is no 2. Okay.
What do
Here
you
is
mean,
just
sir?
omega t.
Omega t?
Just omega t. 2 is not here. Okay. So it is given as 2 pi t. So f equals 1 hertz, whereas t equals 1 second. So the total time for one cycle is 1 second. It is clear?
No, doctor, how you represent the frequency on the graph? The frequency.
We are representing time, not frequency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Using this formula omega t. Here there is no 2. Cancel this 2. Okay. How to cancel? Is it clear now?
1 second, you get F,
Yeah.
1 by F,
1 hertz. 1 hertz I get.
1 hertz, and the time period
Yeah.
1 by F.
1 second. Yeah. Then the
Doctor,
total time will be 1 second. Is it clear?
Excuse
Clear,
me.
sir.
What
Yes
is
or
2
no?
omega t for?
Remove this 2. This 2 is not correct. Okay.
Yes, what is this for?
Omega equals 2 pi f. Omega equals 2 pi f. Then 2 in the place of 2 pi f, in the question it is given as 2 pi t. Substitute here. Then you will get f as 1 hertz and t as 1 second. So
Doctor,
the
excuse me.
total,
Please, can
yeah,
you explain the question from the beginning?
see here, it is cos. Cos starts from maximum value. Maximum is 10.
Okay.
Okay. Magnitude is 10. And what is the time? By using this 2 pi t, can you see my here?
Yes.
Okay. So in the place of omega t, it is given as 2 pi t.
Okay.
2 pi t,
2 by
if
f,
you,
you mean, sir. 2 by ft.
yeah, 2 pi f is the formula for omega t, omega. So 2 pi f, t is common.
Okay.
And given is 2 pi t. You will get
Okay.
f as 1 hertz.
Yes, sir.
In the
Okay?
first formula, it's
Yes.
written there 2 pi ft.
Yes, 2 pi ft.
No, not this, the previous one.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, 2 pi ft. Here there is no 2. I have to cancel this.
Okay.
You can't use the pen upside there, sir.
No, I can't erase here. I'm not able to erase this.
It's okay, sir. It's not big issue.
Okay.
Okay. What are you trying to do here?
I'm trying to find t.
Ah, okay, the time.
T equals 1 by f. 1 by 1
Okay.
is 1 second. So the time period is 1 second. Is it
Okay.
clear?
The time
Same as
period
this.
from maximum to maximum. Is that right?
Yes, maximum. Yes,
From the max
the
to
complete
max
cycle
or
is
the minimum
maximum to
to the minimum.
maximum. Okay. Then coming to
Second
the next
sir.
question. Coming to the next question. Phi is a maximum value. Okay. And it is sine. Sine means it starts from 0. And what is the time period now? 2 pi ft equals 2 pi 100. Here it is given. Okay.
Okay.
Now time period equals 0.01 second. That's it. Is it
Sir,
clear?
should not be T capital instead of T small?
Small, you can write, no problem.
Because the time period T capital.
Okay, you can use T capital, no problem for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then for the second question, you have one more question here, two more questions here. Oh, Kharban.
What's going on, sir?
Close all tabs. Okay. Sharing is problem here. Okay. So there is question C, question D.
Can't
This
see,
will
sir.
be. You can't see?
We can't see anything.
No, we can't.
No, it's okay.
No, sir.
No.
No. Now.
Okay, now we can
Yes,
see,
sir.
yes.
Okay. There is question number C and question number D. This will be homework for you. Follow the same. Is it clear?
When should we submit it?
You can solve. Can you
Hello?
solve this? Can you solve this? Question number
Course,
C,
sir.
question number D. Okay. Now going for question number 2. Represent the following sine waveforms as cosine waveforms. 4 sine 120 pi t, 10 sine 120 pi t plus
Just
120
we
degrees.
do shift by 90, minus 90.
Yeah, you can solve. Go to the second solution.
He
Can
wants
you share
us
the
to,
solution, please?
Doctor, he wants the graph or only we just do the shift?
For question number 1,
For question number 2.
no graph. I will show the solution. I will show the solution. Okay. You will get the solution. Just this is the answer. X of t equals 4 sine 120 pi t can be written as cos of 120 pi t minus 90. Why? Because cos theta minus 90 is sine theta. Is it clear?
Clear, sir?
Okay. In the same way, question number B. Again, just minus 90 degrees for cos, it will be same as sine theta. Same formula. You will get cos. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. And going to the third question, represent the following sine waveforms as positive amplitudes of cosine terms.
What he means?
The question is negative of cos. So make it positive of cos. If sine, then make it cos as well as positive. Okay. Convert this
understand.
negative sign. See, the question is minus 10 cos 40 pi t minus 60 degrees. You have to remove this minus by using the formula. Cos theta plus 180 equals minus cos. Okay. If you add 180
Okay,
degrees
sir.
here, if you add 180 degrees here, it becomes positive. That's it. Is it clear?
Clear,
In the
sir?
same way, Good, good. For the next question B, there are two terms. One is negative sign of cos, another is negative sign of sine. Negative sign. So by using the formula, same plus 180 degrees becomes positive for cos, and plus 90 degrees for sine becomes negative, negative, negative cancels, and also sine becomes cos for positive 90 degrees. Is it clear?
Can you explain the part of sine, sir? Sine?
Okay. See, formula I did not write here. I forgot to write the formula. Why? Because I thought everybody knows the trigonometric functions. I can't write also here.
We can hear you, sir. You can explain. No problem.
Okay, okay.
Without writing.
Okay, okay, okay. See here, cos theta plus 90. Cos theta plus 90 is minus sine theta. Is it clear? You can write on the paper. Cos theta plus 90 is minus sine theta. Is it clear? You can write on the paper.
Yes, sir. Clear,
Cos.
sir.
Okay, good, good. Then going to the next question, question number 4. It is very simple. Given the signals x1 of t.
Yes. Sir, wait, please. Now, if you want to convert from sine to cosine, we add plus 90. Sine here should not be negative, sir. It should be positive.
No. See here. Cos theta plus 90 is plus minus sine. Okay?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. Minus of minus will be positive afterwards. Clear now?
Clear.
Good. Now coming to the next question. You have to find the frequencies present in y of t. Y of t is given as in the question itself, multiplication of x1 of t and x2 of t is the question. You need to find the frequencies. So in the solution,
can you
just multiply.
Doctor.
Yes.
Can you repeat that formula for to make the sign positive?
Yeah, you write on the paper. Yes, you write on the paper.
Okay.
Cos theta plus 90. Cos theta plus 90 equals minus sine theta minus sine theta. Theta will be x something.
Okay.
Theta will be this whole thing, 50 pi t plus 40 degrees.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Coming to the fourth question. Do you understand the question? You can download from lectures, question sheet and answer sheet both. You can see on the paper.
What's the question 1, sir?
Question 4?
Yes.
Given x of t, x1 of t, x2 of t, and y of t is multiplication of x1 of t and y of t, x1 of t and x2 of t. Okay.
Yes. You want to find the y of t?
No, no, no. Not finding y of t. Just frequencies present in y of t. Substitute here x1 of t, x2 of t. This is cos 2 pi 100 t is x1 of t, cos 2 pi 50 t is x2 of t. Use this formula, cos alpha cos beta equals 1 by 2 cos alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta. What is alpha here? 2 pi 100t. What is beta here? 2 pi 50t. Clear? Substitute in the formula. Cos 2 pi 100t plus 2 pi 50t plus cos 2 pi 100t minus 2 pi 50t. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then
add these two, subtract these two. You will get 150 here, 50 here. Okay.
it means has two frequencies.
Yes. Two frequency. F1 is 150, F2 is 50. That's it. Go to the fifth question. Plot the magnitude and phase spectra of the following signals and calculate their bandwidth. Okay. These are the two signals. First signal I am taking. First question, bit A. First convert all the cosine terms as positive and also sine term as cos. Okay. To convert cos, just add 180 degrees. To convert this negative sign, add 180 degrees. Okay. To convert this sign, minus 90 degrees. Cos theta minus 90 is sine theta. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Why did you convert
Good.
them? Why did you convert?
Okay. This is the procedure. To find any magnitude or phase spectrums, we have to convert all the terms in cosine terms and also positive of cosine.
Okay.
Okay. Why? Because the maximum value of cosine is at 0 degrees. Okay. At zero time, you can say. Why? Because it will be even signal. Cos signal is even. Okay. It starts from maximum.
You're right, sir.
That's why. Okay. That's why we have to convert.
But, sir, also sine signal is even.
Sine signal?
Sine signal is even signal.
Yes.
Then
cos is odd.
We convert?
Sorry. Sine signal is odd. Cosine is even.
I don't think so, sir.
Yes.
Sine signal is even, sir. No, it's odd. You're right, sir. You're right.
Yes. Sine signal is odd. Cosine is even. So we cannot do even signal. We cannot do the we can do, but for understanding purpose, even signal is good to draw the spectrum, either phase or magnitude.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Both the sides should be even. That's why we take cos and also positive. So in the first step, I have converted this negative of cos to positive of cos by adding 180 degrees. Is it clear? And sine to cosine by subtracting 90 degrees. Cos theta minus 90 is sine theta. Is it clear?
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then just add these signals. Minus 40 plus 180, 140. Minus 90 is as it is. Okay. Now, what is frequent in the place of 7? Can I write cos 2 pi 0 degrees? Why? Because cos 0 is 1.
No problem, sir.
No problem. Okay. Then coming to the next term, 10 cos. I'm converting this to get the frequency. I have to multiply by 2. So it will be 25. 50 becomes 25. Okay.
Why, sir?
2 pi f. F is, it is not f. 50 pi is not f. This is omega. Omega t. What is omega? 2 pi f. Okay. So I am multiplying this 2 so that this 50 becomes 25. Okay. To get f.
Yes, no problem, sir.
Okay, no problem for that. In the same way here also, 2 into 50 is 100. To get f, f is 50 here. By Euler's formula, is it clear? This step is clear?
Can you go previous, sir? I just want to
Yes.
check something.
Okay, tell me.
The last term. From where we get it?
This
Plus
term?
4 cosine 2 pi 50t minus 90.
This one? This is 4, not 10.
Yes, 4, sir. But the angle
4
here,
is in the question.
It's becoming 50t. The previous
Yes.
was 100 pi.
Yes.
What happens to it?
Which one? This one?
No, sir. The right
This one.
Yes.
2 into 50 is 100.
But t, sir, we don't have t upside there.
Oh, that is writing mistake. Okay.
I think
You
it's
write.
missing the T.
Yeah, I forgot to write t. You write down here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. You write down there t. Mawjood. I forgot to write. Now by Euler's formula.
100, sir. It was 100.
Yeah, it was 100.
You go previous. Excuse me.
100 pi t.
It was
T
100
here.
pi.
Yes, 100 pi t.
And you just put it 2 pi.
Yeah. 2 into 50 is 100. T is mawjood already.
We make it in this form to observe the frequency.
Yes. By Euler's formula, 7 is as it is. Okay. 7 is as it is. And this 10 becomes this divided by 2. This whole divided by 2 becomes, that's why 10 becomes 5. Euler's formula I did not write.
7 by 2, sir.
Yes. Divided by 2, it becomes 5.
But we didn't, sir.
Yeah, you check the formula, Euler's formula, you will understand. Okay. E power j 2 pi 25t, and the angle is e power j 140. Okay. In the same way, plus phi e power minus j 2 pi 25t e power minus j 140. It is for magnitude, it is for phase.
Doctor,
this is for
now you divide the
form.
full term by 2.
Yes.
Why
That's why
you divide 7 by 2, sir?
Yes, 10 by 2 it becomes 5.
But how about 7, sir? You divide the full term for 2 by 2.
No, there is no cos. This is 1. This is maximum amplitude at 0.
The previous line there is cos with 7.
Cos, but 0 degrees. Just to understand, I wrote this 0 degrees. Its value is 1. Okay? No formula here. Okay. Go to the next term. 4 becomes 2. E power j 2 pi 50t. E power minus. Here the angle is minus. That's why I wrote here minus. Plus 2 into e power minus j 2 pi 50t. E power minus plus. Is it clear?
Now you convert the cosine into exponential form?
Yes. This is known as Euler's formula. You can check the Euler's formula. You will get this. This is phase, this is magnitude. Okay, I just wrote here the terms. Second term, this is third term actually, this is second term. And coming to the next spectrum, see, maximum amplitude is 7 at 0, frequency 0, okay, and 25 is, here it is 5, I did not write here 5, minus 25, 5, okay, and 50 at 50 frequency, the amplitude is 2, minus 50 also, amplitude is 2. Understand this? Just write the amplitudes at frequencies.
Okay, sir.
Clear? At 25 hertz, 25 hertz, the amplitude is 5, and minus 25 hertz, amplitude is 5. At 50 hertz, amplitude is 2, minus 50 hertz, amplitude is 2. Is it clear? And at 0 frequency, okay, good. Then coming to the phase spectrum, at 25 degrees and 25 hertz frequency, what is the phase angle? 140. Okay, and minus 50 hertz, phase angle is minus 140. At 50 hertz, the phase angle is minus 90 degrees. At minus 50 hertz, the phase angle is 90 degrees.
Doctor,
Yes.
should we write the frequency here in the phase spectrum or not?
Yeah, you can write. Why? Because it is, I will show you this. I wrote here, so I did not write here.
Okay.
0, 0, 25, 25, 50, 50, minus 25, minus 25, minus 50, minus 50. Is it clear now? Okay.
Clear, sir.
Today finished. And okay, I'm closing these solutions. You will find from lectures. Okay. So can you see this? The question sheet? Oh.
Yes, we.
So in the first question, A, B, I finished. C, D will be assignment 2. Second question, I finished. Third question, also I finished. Fourth, also I finished. Oh, it is not clear. 1 second, please. Okay. Now it's okay. Can you see? Question number 5. Question number 5. Bit A, I finished just now. Bit B will be homework for you. Is it clear?
Doctor, you don't finish question number 5.
Question number 5, bit A, I finished just now. Oh, bandwidth. Okay. Bandwidth is left. Bandwidth I did not do. Okay, bandwidth. What is bandwidth here? Oh, I did not hear. Yeah.
Hello?
Bandwidth. Bandwidth is 25, 50 minus 25. So 25 hertz is the bandwidth. Is it clear? This is question number 5, bit number A.
Why?
Bit number A. Is it
How
clear
you find the
now?
bandwidth, sir?
It is clear or not?
Sir, you hear me?
Yes. Yes, yes.
How you find the bandwidth? How you find the bandwidth?
Bandwidth is maximum 50 here, 50 minus 25. This is bandwidth.
Why 25? Isn't the maximum
This is the formula
minus the
to.
minimum?
Yes, maximum minus minimum.
Maximum minus the minimum.
Yes, yes. 50 minus 25 is 25 hertz is the bandwidth. That's it. This is bit number A.
But the minimum here, doctor, is minus 50, not 25.
Not like this. We will not take the bandwidth like this. That is left hand side. Either you take left hand side or right hand side. Okay. The bandwidth is calculated like this. 50 minus 25. Okay. This is bit number.
If there is 3 terms on the right hand side.
Yeah,
for
I will
example,
show in the next
20,
sheet.
25
Okay.
and 50 and 75.
Okay. So
how will be the
75 minus 25.
Okay, sir, I get you.
Okay. Thank you. And this is question number 5, bit A. Bit A. Bit B will be homework for you. I will give 5 marks or 2.5 for the homework. Question number 1, question number 5.
Can you read the homeworks, the whole homeworks again, sir?
Okay. I'm closing this window. I'm closing this window. Can you see this? No. Okay. Can you see this?
No, sir.
It will come. Just wait. Now?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. Question number 1. Bit C, bit D. Bit C, bit D will be assignment, as well as question number 5, bit B will be homework. Total of 3 questions. 2 are very small. The third one is little bit big. This is homework for you.
How can we submit it, sir?
Next week or after next week. This is the first time. No?
Through course message?
Yeah, course message.
Okay.
Course
sir.
message. I will check regarding the course messages. I will check daily from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Okay. You will get reply after 10 o'clock. If you give some messages in the morning 11 o'clock, you will not get reply until the next day after 10. Okay.
We have 1 week to submit it.
Yes, 1 week. Muhammad Gibran. Muhammad Gibran. What do you mean we haven't gotten to the lesson yet? What? Bandwidth? What? Bandwidth lesson yet? Okay. Okay. We will see in the next week. Okay. I will explain again. Is it clear? Thank you. All are present, 100%. Huh? No, no, no. Total are 32. So 50%. 50% students are present. Yes, we finish tutorial today. Sheet 1 is all finished. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yes. Thank you. Hello, Ryan. Hello. Hello. Ryan. Can you hear me? Can I see you? Oh, no problem. No problem.